Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to the auction of this fabulous 1968 Amazon. It's selling at no reserve on Bring a Trailer. It's going home to the highest bidder. This 122S was restored as a family project by the previous owner in 2010. Our client acquired it in 2013. It featured a bare metal restoration and a rebuilt B20 engine, along with many other desired upgrades. We'll tell you all about it after we take it for a ride. As we mentioned, this car is being auctioned at no reserve on Bring a Trailer, ending Friday, January 17th, so don't miss it. There's a plethora of upgrades on this Amazon, starting with that bare metal restoration in that gorgeous dark green, and an all-new tan interior. The rebuilt B20 engine has dual SUs feeding it, and it shifts with that 4-speed manual, along with a 123 GT-style overdrive on the stock switch. The suspension has been completely gone through, and it rests on new Pirelli Cinturato CN36s. GTS seats were built over OEM Recaro hardware. A dash-mounted Volvo Smith tachometer was added. The original radio was converted to Bluetooth. And a Abarth steering wheel and NOS exhaust were also added. There is so much more. For more information, visit us at GenauAutoWerks.com. Thank you.